Hi everyone. This delicious whipped coffee known as Dalgona coffee only takes 4 minutes to make. It doesn't need any special tools or machines. It only needs 3 common ingredients, but it's the most creamy coffee I've ever had. It has to be instant coffee. The portion I am making is for 1 cup. If you are making more than 1 cup, just multiply the proportions. This is just regular cane sugar. It's not brown sugar. Not sure why it looks brown. One of the tips is to start off whipping really slow to mimic the hand whipping motion. It does help the coffee to get more foamy. If you only have a hand whisk, you can whip it manually. You will get there. Just takes a while. After about a minute and a half, you can see the color starts to change. But it's still very fluid. No texture yet. After another minute or so, your coffee foamy cream is in perfect texture. Add your favorite milk to 3/4 of the cup. You can add ice if you want. Make sure the milk ice mixture is 3/4 of the cup in total. Look at this creamy coffee foam. How satisfying. Completely mix the coffee and the milk before drinking. Wow, that is good. I still get amazed by it every time I drink it. I hope you enjoyed our time together today and decide to give this extremely easy recipe a try. I will see you next time.